Hadian bagi samla ke beli kon yak examen national eligibility cum entrance test lani ke NEET exams haringkat ke noilam ke Jaintia Students Union kilawan bandawa nau Myntri beri kami ikatanat puli rakam isang ma untuk klar banyak keren bagi bor penyat yak ke examen ban penlong biang dak kawaipan Uniu Myntri ulang banakaliang ketanat bot kumjoru nadu Myntri rang ba ke jelau konrad ki isang ma kila Shimkhia Halor kini dak kawai keren bat ke National Testing Agency ke bor penyat ban penlong yak ke examen Kumban syukdo bakatay kajing dawa kana kaliang kisamla puli bat GSU kalawan namar bakladan gajing kulmar kabala mi hakasngi bepenlong yakatay ke examen men hakasantri gujemang arja arpusaw hakisenta kepada Hasin Mary Mazarelu Girls Higher Secondary School hajawai na gajing 1 arthop kijing keli Hakatay kasngi katop jingkeli baningkong kadai ka MNOP bat ka arpat kadai QRST laong bahdian bakini ki khna kilada ban tho kattu kat ni pore ki jingkeli na katop MNOP lawan ki bor penyat examen kila pen sange bat iPad da ki jingkeli na ka QRST nak baong baki jingkeli ki bala ai katop baningkong kim dei satya bat kumta ki khna kila spulat ka ya kapor
This issue is something if it has happened so it's a very matter of concern. And yesterday I have also had a word with the chairman NTA personally also and told him, inform him, and also our honorable chief minister, Sir Conrad Sama, has also taken up the matter with the concerned authority NTA in Delhi, and also because this NEET exam directly connected with the medical department, but however this also as a government responsible, I also personally taking up the matter, and like the NT has also informed us that they're also assessing the ground situation, what will happen. They are doing their inquiry on this. So, and this is that. But we are taking up the matter.
Is there any possibility for a re-examination to reconduct the exam?
No, it is not in the hands of the government. It's let the NTA decide. They will decide because it's a all India level examination. So it has been conducted for across the country for many lakhs, 10-15 lakhs students. So, but however, they are looking, they are examining the situation, what happened really happened at the ground.